Hi children, let's do some numbers. Look at the picture, count and name the number, spell it and find for yourself. Yes, it's a very interesting exercise. Let's look at our first picture. Numbers, we are learning numbers. Look, how many oranges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. Spell 4. F-O-U-R. 4 oranges. How many oranges? 4. That's what we are doing. We look at the picture, count, identify, and spell and write 4 oranges. It's a very interesting exercise. Are you enjoying? Let's take our next picture. See what we have here. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many apples? 6. Spell 6. S-I-X. 6 apples. So we learn to count and spell. Good. Let's go to our next picture. There are eggs over here. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many eggs? 4. Spell 4. F-O-U-R. F-O-U-R. 4 eggs in this plate. Good. Shall we take another picture? Look. We have bricks here. What do you use the bricks for? Building. 1, 2. How many bricks? 2. Spell 2. T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. 2 bricks. There are 2 bricks in this picture. Let's go on to a new picture. See what we have. Oh, cherries. Let's count all the cherries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cherries. Spell 6. S-I-X. 6. 6 cherries over here. There are 6 cherries. Good. Let's go on to a new picture. A box of crayon. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many numbers? 8. How many crayons? 8. Spell 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 8 crayons. There are 8 crayons over here. Let's go to the next. Now, look at your hand. How many fingers do you have? Yes, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. On one hand, you have 5 fingers. Spell 5. F-I-V-E. 5. You have 5 fingers on one hand. 5. Good. Let's go on to a new picture. Look, yummy ice cream. How many? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 ice creams. Spell 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 3 ice creams here. Good. You like ice creams? Let's get on to a new picture. What is this? You see it in your garden. Leaf. How many leaves? 1. Spell 1. O-N-E. 1 leaf. How many leaves are there here? 1. O-N-E. 1. 1 leaf. Let's go to a new picture. Your pots over here. Let's count all the pots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Spell 9. N-I-N-E, 9. 9 what? 9 pots. You can put plants in it, grow plants in it. 9 pots. 9 mud pots. 9 flower pots over here. Let's take a new picture. Say, you have strawberries here. 1, 2, 3. Spell 3, T-H-R-E-E. 3 strawberries. How many strawberries? 3 strawberries here. Let's go on to a new picture. How many kids can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. Spell 6. S-I-X. 6. There are 6 kids over here. In this picture, there are 6 kids. Let's go to a new picture. Let's count. We have tomatoes here. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many tomatoes? 9. Spell 9. N-I-N-E. 9 tomatoes. How many? 9 tomatoes here. Good. We are learning to count. We are learning numbers. Let's get on to a new picture. Look, let's count all the balloons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many balloons are there? 7. Spell 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7 balloons. How many? 7 balloons over here. Let's look at another picture. You have some vessels here. Mommy has these in the kitchen, yes? Let's count. How many vessels here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many? 5. Spell 5. F-I-V-E. 5 vessels. How many vessels? 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Good. Let's go to a new picture. Look at these cute cats over here. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? 1 mama cat and 3 kittens. There are 4 cats altogether here. Spell 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 4 cats here. Spell 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Good. Let's take a new picture. See what we have. Burger. You like to eat burgers? Big, huge ones. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. Big, huge burgers. 3. Spell 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3 burgers here. 3 burgers. Let's go on to a new picture. How many Mickeys can you count? 1. Spell 1. O-N-E. 1 Mickey. You like Mickey? Yes, you have a 1 happy Mickey here. 1. Good. Now here. What is it? Elephants. How many? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elephants. Spell 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 4 elephants. Good. You learn numbers. Learn to spell and count too. Good.